this opening game of the Under-14 division for our PYPC Season 2.
Welcome back to the Philippines Basketball Championship Season 2, still live here at Taco Arena in Manila. I am Alicia Solia reporting inside for games 3 to 5 of today's Jam. Still here at Paco Arena for the Philippine Youth Basketball Championship Season 2. I am Alicia Solieza reporting from the court side today. Second game, like its team, the Gold Steel players are also coming in fresh into the Philippine youth basketball with some players like Liam Santos, who only has 2 years of playing experience under his belt. Liam, congratulations sa first win sa first game ninyo. Kanina I asked coach kung sino yung isa sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan niyang players when it comes to defense and rebound, and ikaw yung pinakauna niyang sinabi. What can you say about this?
Thank you po kay coach na pinagtitiwalaan nila ako.
Go back to that kapag na-cover nila ulit yung games.
Thank you po.
It's good. I think you're getting more confidence na rin. Even yung eye contact mo sa camera.
Thank you so much po. Time for the day! Game number 2 for me. May 10 in Villar Coliseum in Las Piñas and Parañaque borderline. Charis, hindi ko alam. Bye! Ang bilis. Sport is always easy kasi palagi siyang maaasahan. Alam mo, the team is in good hands with his leadership on the floor. His goal for this game is to just keep the ball moving and lead his teammates to a win. Back to you, Philippines.
For everyone's information,
That's my cousin.
Your grandparents.
My grandparents, my cousin. That's Eli.
Eli.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys look so alike in your old photos.
Or like little habit traits that you practice.
I mean, at the time, I really didn't know because I just grew up with the table covered with something. I feel like that's very Filipino.
or something like that. So,
My dad. It was,
Gonna smell funky.
Funky mom.
Good idea.
Idea. I will bleach my bebe. Dito, uro mo. Im ka na? Im? Okay.
Alya.
Tuwalya. Nakakaloka. Dito ka lang makakita ng nagpapakulay. Walang tuwalya. Ay! Wait lang, mamaya mo na kasi suklayin.
No, isi-spread ko lang kasi...
Okay, but like, let me finish putting it all over the face.
Tayo. Pwede ka na ang gift bag. May mapapatungan tayo.
Nakakainis!
Ganun talaga yun.
Hanggang 5x.
Oh my God, it's so real now.
Pag pinili po online, may measurements din sa shop. Kung gaano pa.
Bigger smile there. Ready? 1, 2. Smile. Bigger smile. Pagdating sa hair. Pero naman siya. Okay na sa'yo. Gusto ko.
Just thanks here.
Baby hair. Smile ulit na walang ngipin. May ngipin ko. Bigger smile.
One, two, three, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Hey, hey, hey.
Our EP which is called Campus Girls Out. Palakpakan naman dyan!
Of course, before our first track, we would want to say a few things to everybody who showed up.
Thank you so much. Yes, people here, kila Yok, kila Ami sa lahat po na nandito. Ayan, maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa aming munting EP Love.
Yes, and of course, guys, this means so much to us because this is our party.
This is our
Parting event.
Last time na nila tayo kami makikita kasi this is our love child. This matagal na namin pinag-usapan ni Ali na this output is very us to do.
Especially here pa lang we wanted to do budots.
Yeah.
Hey, hey,
Hey, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey. Let's go, D! D! Yeah! Yes, baby. Wait. Let's do it.